What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Friends by Marshmello and Anne-Marie. This song is actually super simple. It only has a couple chords, so let me just jump right into teaching you how to play them. Alright, so there's no capo on this song, and the song is in standard tuning. The only real chords you're going to need to know are A minor, C, F, E, A, G, and a D minor. Make sure to check out my Patreon for chord charts and, as always, the chords to this song. Alright guys, let's get right into learning this song. You're pretty much playing the same pattern for majority of the song, and all that is just A minor, C, F, and then you go F, E. And you can play that a number of ways. You can play it kind of more like the record, so. Or you can play. All I'm doing there is showing you that there are a ton of different ways to play this song. You're essentially just playing that A minor, C, F, F, E throughout all of the intro and all of the verse, and also during the refrain. Don't mess it up, talking all that shit. You're only gonna push me away. That's it. So. And then you're gonna go to that A minor. When you say you love me, that makes me crazy. Just end on the F for the here we go again, getting ready to get into the chorus. So again, all that pattern is alright, and then we get into the chorus, which is the how haven't I made it obvious, haven't I made it clear part, which is just A minor, C, F. And you actually kind of play it similarly to how you're playing the other chords, so just. So A minor, C, F, A minor, C, F. And you get right back into that A minor, C, F, F, E, A minor, C, F, F, E. Alright, and all we have left to learn is the bridge, which is actually pretty easy. It's just F, G, A minor, C, F, G, D minor, F, G, A minor, C, D minor, F, G, A minor, C, F, G, D minor, F, G, A minor, C, and on D minor. Then right back into the pre-chorus, which is just A minor, C, F, F, E, A minor, C, F, F, E. And then you just play the A minor, C, F, E for the rest of the song, and then you're done, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up if it helped you learn how to play this song. While you're down there, go ahead and leave a comment if there are any other songs you want me to teach. Please hit that subscribe button as well, as it really does help me out. And make sure to turn that notification bell on so you always get notified when I post videos. Alright, bye guys. I will see you tomorrow with another tutorial.